everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about SPF and the importance of why you should be wearing SPF every single day. Every single day. Hi, my name is Charlene, for those of you who don't know me, and I am a makeup artist and clinical skin specialist. I'm also a professional for AlumierMD, which is the brand that I'm going to be talking about today. The reason that I like AlumierMD is it's a medical grade skincare brand with over 100 years combined scientific and medical experience between the founders. When I was researching for a medical grade skincare brand to bring into my skin clinic, Alumier won hands down every single time, and I like to do my research. So what is SPF? So SPF is sun protection, and that is protection against the UVA and the UVB rays that come from the sun. Now, these rays are harmful to our skin. Not only are they scientifically proven to be harmful to the epidermis, which is the skin that we can see, but it's also harmful to the underlying layers of the skin that hold collagen and elastin. These rays are proven to penetrate deep down and cause lasting damage. The UVA rays are also the dominant rays for tanning, and we see tanning as this really healthy, glowing, beautiful skin, but actually what it is DNA damage. So tanning is not good, unfortunately. Undamaged skin will present as hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, redness to the skin. It's also going to contribute to premature aging, as well as moles, skin cancer, you name it. It's not good. Gone are the days when you would put baby oil on and you would lay out into the sun and fry. Gone are those days. So yeah, we definitely need to protect our skin. So many people who come into my skin clinic are still under the impression that you only wear SPF when you go on holiday, because there is obviously severe sun exposure when we go abroad. That is not the case, unfortunately. So SPF needs to be worn every single day, 365 days a year. It does not matter if it's snowing outside, cloudy, rainy, sunny, it doesn't matter. The rays from the sun will penetrate 365 days a year, and that is why it's important that we wear it every single day. Also, the rays of the sun can penetrate through windows as well. So these are rays that can obviously cause damage to our skin, and that is why even if we are indoors, we must be wearing SPF. So I have SPF on just now, and I'm inside. Now, not only do we have the rays from the sun, but we also have a lot of lights from our phone and so on that can now, this being proven to cause damage to our skin. So where a lot of people think that the SPF in their foundation or their moisturizer is going to protect them against the sun damage, unfortunately, that's not the case. The level of the SPF in these moisturizers or foundations is simply not high enough to be able to protect against the sun damage. So it's definitely worthwhile investing in a specific SPF. So there are two different types of sun protection. The first one is a chemical SPF, which uses small particles which are absorbed into the bloodstream. This is the SPF that you're going to be reapplying every 3 to 4 hours or whatever, specific to the brand that you have perhaps used. These chemicals are actually now shown to actually cause skin damage when the sunlight interacts with these chemicals, and there is a whole web of information about why chemical sunscreens are harmful to you. They are obviously absorbed into the bloodstream, and they have been known to cause hormone disruption and so on. So a physical sunscreen, on the other hand, uses zinc oxide and titanium dioxide to safely deflect the rays of the sun. So this is scientifically proven to have an excellent safety record at sun protection. So what it does is it sits on top of the skin and it just deflects the rays. It does not absorb into the skin. Therefore, you do not need to reapply this sunscreen. The only thing I would say is if you are abroad, I would probably be keen to just kind of reapply it if you've obviously went into the water or so on and so forth. So Alumier has 3 different types of SPF to choose from. All are broad spectrum, which help to protect against the UVA and the UVB rays that I talked about before, and all contain titanium dioxide and zinc oxide as a form of protection. These are also packed with free radical quenching antioxidants which protect against damage. They come in 60ml tubes, which are handy for travel. They retail at £37.50 and all are backed with Alumier science. So we'll start with sheer hydration. This comes in 2 forms, tinted or untinted. It's a beautiful creamy texture that adds smoothness and hydration to the skin whilst protecting against the UVA and the UVB rays. So as you can see, this provides a beautiful healthy glow to the skin. You would put this on after moisturiser, just like all your SPFs. So I'm just going to show you the tinted version now. The tinted version is like a BB cream. It adds a beautiful tint to the skin whilst adding hydration. This SPF is suitable for anybody with normal to dry skin. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the Moisture Matte, and this is suitable for anybody with normal to oily skin. This comes in 3 different tints. I have the amber one to show you today. So it starts off as white, and the more that you rub it in, the pigment acts as a beautiful, beautiful foundation. So I like to break the pigment in my hands and rub it in for an intense colour. This adds a beautiful healthy glow to the skin. It almost looks like you've been on holiday. However, it does dry matte, so it looks like your natural skin tone. Suitable for both men and women, and it's actually one of my best sellers with my male clients because it does dry matte. It gives you sun protection yet a hint of colour. Moisture Matte does add coverage to the skin, so it does even out the skin tone, which I particularly love, and it's a perfect substitute to foundation. It's better for your skin than foundation, and it does add a very good coverage, as you can see. This product smooths and hydrates the skin while absorbing excess oil. So the last product that I'm going to talk about is the Clear Shield Spectrum. This is SPF of 42 and it has all the same benefits as the last 2 that I've talked about. This one is suitable for all skin types. However, I particularly like this one for acne and redness prone skin, as it has ingredients that helps to soothe and target redness. All of the Alumier SPFs that I've talked about today can be purchased through an Alumier professional. So if you'd like to order any of these products, please contact me and I can arrange this for you.